I'd like to welcome you to the PCTE group of institutes, to the Department of Journalism, where we teach our students the art of communication. Keep in mind that in any democracy in this world, the media serves as the fourth estate, the first three being the legislature, executive and the judiciary. It is the media, a free media, which is what makes a democracy a true democracy. We in our department teach a wide variety of subjects and topics, very contemporary, starting from basics, or the basic introduction to print media, to visual media, to new media, to audio media, both in the classrooms as well as in our studio, which is very well equipped, and then getting students to do practical work in writing newspapers, preparing magazines, preparing videos, editing them, and recording programs for radio. Some of our students, in fact, have gone on to anchor programs, serve as RJs on All India Radio, and of course, they have visited many industries in this medium, whether it's newspapers or it's printing press, it's radio stations or TV stations. Generation after generation, or batch after batch of young communicators who will add to the strength of our democracy. Come, be a part of it.